Tickle tank, 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 tank. 804-345-1065, the people. P. What up, Zulu Bees banging? We are talking about Kevin Hart all weekend long. To wrap up your Christmas season, you want to go Hampton Coliseum the 31st? Call me right now or stop by www.1065thebeat.com. Key in the word weekend. It is time to check out what was hot and what was not for 2014 with my man Tony Bamba. I mean, he's heated like a sauna. It's my man Tony Bamba. What up?
Hot in a sauna zoo? That's old school, but no problem.
Oh, he playing?
This Tony Bamba, and this is what was hot and what was not 2014.
Number one.
Bobby Smyrna.
Bobby was hot. Yes, he was, but what's not hot about it?
He had to serve time in prison during Christmas for catching a body about a week
ago. Number two.
Them new Jordans 11s.
Jordan 11s is hot.
The white and baby blue ones.
I hear you can't get them on the stores, online, or nothing.
Yeah, but what ain't hot about it is that $400 price tag.
Oh, hell, $400? It's a car note.
Yeah, your cars are gonna look like Foot Locker, but when you go outside and look in that driveway, all you're gonna see is an oil stain. Repo guy.
Number three.
Unfortunately for Bill Cosby, women coming out saying that he sexually assaulted them was hot.
Yeah, for 2014, that seemed to be about the size.
Now, what's not hot about that is Tickle Me Elmo's on the line.
Huh? Hello?
Hello? Is this 106.5?
Yes, who's this?
This is Elmo, and I need a cigarette. I have to tell you something.
What?
It was Bill.
What was Bill? What are you talking about?
Bill Cosby tickled me. He fondled me.
Yo. Elmo, you're supposed to be tickled.
No, not my Bill Cosby.
You tickle me, Elmo. If Bill can tickle you too, man.
Oh, my bad. Can I get a cigarette now?
Get your ass out of here. Oh, that's crazy, man.
Well, that's it for me, Zoo. That was what was hot and what was not for 2014. It's Tony Bamba. I'm out.
Thank you, sir. And when we come back, more Kevin Hart tickets. This is 1065 The Big.